journey. And as you can see, today the day is very bright and sunny. The temperature here today is about 37 degrees in the city. But I'm sure the field life should be about 45 degrees. I'm hoping to get some relief at Chandubi Lake because the maximum temperature there is 34 degrees. So let's see, let's hope for the best. It's almost 2 in the afternoon and we didn't take any lunch. It was an impromptu plan. So we just stopped at Domino's on the way and took our pizza there. So guys, don't be as impromptu as us and pack something at least for munching on the way, because you really don't find much of eatery option on the way. And it's about 55 kilometers from the city, so yeah, it's kind of a long ride, almost 2 hours.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
We have almost reached our destination. Temperature has dropped drastically. It seemed like it has rained here recently. Can't wait to get there. So we have reached and parked at Chandubi Lake. Here you can see all the locals selling local produce. Let's go check them out. भैया ये फल क्या है? ये वाला? हाँ? ओटेंगा। ये क्या होता है? फ्रूट है क्या सब्जी है?
ये मसाला खावा लगे।
मसाला दे के ऐसे कच्चा खाता है? अच्छा, ये क्या खट्टा होता है? ओके। दीदी आप क्या चना बेच रहे हैं? Here and I can see a group of friends. They are having gala time together. Everyone having so much fun. I'd love to go talk to them, and then we can go to the much awaited boat ride in Chandubi Lake. Hi guys.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you guys doing?
Fine. Enjoying our life.
Yeah. So you guys are a group of friends?
Yes. Yeah, we are. Obviously. And
like you are recording for?
I'm recording for my blog.
Okay, fine.
Okay. जब तक यार भूल ही गया
We have got two friends.
Okay.
Hiram and Suraj.
Okay.
They are from Mumbai.
All right.
This person and this person.
Say Mumbaikar. Hi.
Mumbai में जाए.
Oh, great. Awesome.
कल लेकिन हार गया मुंबई.
Mumbai lost yesterday.
Yeah, let's lost it. कल हार गया भाई. So they are from Mumbai and
Okay.
they are our boss in our company.
Okay.
But now we are friends.
All right.
They are as an Indian position in the boss in the company. But now we are friends. So we just came here to explore the place, and this place is so very nice and very
Okay.
cool.
All
And we
right.
like the place. We're enjoying the environment and just we're enjoying in ourselves.
All right.
And
Awesome.
thank you for you to
Awesome.
just shoot us.
have reached the waterfalls, which is about 7 kilometers from Chandubi Lake. But it took us around 15 to 20 minutes to reach there because the roads are really narrow and steep. There are few visitors, and these few visitors are the main source of livelihood for the locals here. You can see youngsters from city traveling here, and this is their weekend escape. You can see a fair share of crowd here because it's a weekend and Sunday, but it's not as crowded as it used to be prior to COVID. As a local tells me, the waterfall is about 200 to 300 meters from here. So let's get started. As you can see, the roads to the waterfall. So guys, wear a very comfortable shoe because you have to trek a little and you have to be like really careful. Oh, I can see the waterfalls. Wow. Almost reached the waterfalls. You guys can see. It's phenomenal. It's been long. I have been at home and not visited any place recently, so it's kind of a sight to my sore eyes. Let me go there and we can check out more. What's also awesome about this place is there are trash cans kept within every few meters, so there are no littering whatsoever. I'm really being careful right now because it's quite rocky, but I mean, it's hard to contain the excitement. And finally I have arrived my destination. So excited. I'm heading back to the city, and the only regret which I carry in my heart is not visiting this amazing place sooner. Do let me know in the comment section below what should be my next awesome Assam video. Till then, stay safe, keep traveling, and of course do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more awesome videos for you guys. Thanks guys for watching. I love you so much.